Mommy, it's too loud.
Nova is coloring his paintings, and Nana is sleeping soundly on the couch. Oh no! I'm sorry.
You're too loud.
Oh no!
Mommy, it's too loud. I can't sleep. Mommy, I can't hear anything.
What did you say?
I said I can't hear anything on the TV. And I can't study like this.
I'm so sorry. It's morning. Come on up, kids.
No, I want to sleep. Give me back my doll.
Kids, be quiet.
What's up, Daddy?
Mommy is tired. Stay quiet and let her rest, all right?
All right.
Hey, what are they doing in Mommy's room? Are they taking Mommy's phone?
Mommy is tired. Don't make a noise.
I'm sorry. Watch me mop the floor. My turn. No. Mine. My turn. No. Mine.
Kids, you are too loud.
We're sorry.
Just my luck. All the noise right on my day off.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now I get it. You tried to work quietly so that we wouldn't be disturbed, right, Mommy? From now on, I help you with the chores too.
Hey, Nova and Nana are waking up so early. They are vacuuming the house too even. Nova and Nana are so matured. They are learning to help their parents now.
The magical superhero hat. Mommy! Let me help you.
Oh, no. It's dangerous. Oh no! Nova broke Mommy's stack of dishes. Nova.
I'm such a good for nothing. Oh, it hurts.
What's that strange thing? Wow, it's a magical superhero hat.
It's amazing.
Oh no, Why did Nova shrink like that?
Oh, I've become huge. Oh, yay! Why am I scared of a rat? It wasn't chasing me. What's going on, Mommy?
The vacuum cleaner is not working. We might need to buy a new one.
Let me help you. Stop! You are so dead.
Oh no! Nova broke Mommy's vacuum cleaner.
I'm sorry.
Even with the help of the superhero hat, Nova still disappoints Mommy.
Making a Father's Day surprise.
Today is Father's Day. Nova and Nana are secretly preparing a card for Daddy.
Hi, everyone. I'm home.
Daddy's home.
What are you guys doing?
Open it, Daddy.
Oh, it's for me?
Yes.
Wow, a Father's Day card. You drew me. It's great. You did this by yourselves?
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you. I love it.
Now, Mommy and the two siblings are preparing for Father's Day. What else do we need?
Mommy, we need eggs. I go get eggs.
Ooh, yes. Good job, Nova, Nana.
Now, let's make a cake for Daddy. Daddy likes cheese too, Nova. Oh, how about we put everything that Dad likes in it? Dad likes hot sauces too.
Oh no, you shouldn't put hot sauce in. Oh, it's too late now.
Let's mix it up.
Oh, what's going on here?
Don't get surprised, Dad.
I think I should go de-weed the garden.
You shouldn't have to do anything on Father's Day.
Thank you, Nova.
How about you play tag with me and Nana?
All right, let's get started.
Nova and Nana have prepared tea for Daddy.
Oh, what's this?
This is tea for Father's Day.
Oh, thank you, Nova and Nana. Thank you, Nova. It would be great if there's cake.
Coming right up. Here comes the cake. I'm not sure about the taste, but Nova and Nana made it for you.
That's right, because it's Father's Day.
That's wonderful, guys. I can't wait. Here I go. Oh, the cake is special indeed. Which flavor did you put in?
Everything that you like. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you, everyone. I love Father's Day.
Although Nova and Nana cake taste funny, the whole family enjoys a wonderful Father's Day. Daddy is very happy.
Keep safe when travel by plane.
Children, are you ready? We should get on board now.
Let's see who will get on there first. Follow me.
Kids, line up please, so that you can be safe. Everyone is lining up. Please fasten your seat belt. The plane is going to take off.
Yes.
Oh! Oh dear! Kids, where's your seatbelt? I have it fastened now. Well done!
Wow. Mommy.
All right.
Hey.
Oh, kid, it's busy now.
Gosh, it's falling down.
Keep calm, please. This is a normal situation. We are safe.
Don't worry, dear.
When the air pressure simply changes, this oxygen mask can help you breathe like normally.
An incredible flight. Nova's old ride. Start. Yay! I win.
All right, let's race for real.
Racing? Yeah.
Hey, what is Nova doing in the storage? Will it run through?
Nova, what are you doing?
Leon, Coco, and I will have a race tomorrow. But my race car...
Buddy, I know this race car is a bit old, but it's still in a good shape. You just have to appreciate the thing.
Really? Dad?
Really? Like people, things have their own feelings. Let me help you clean and fix the car, alright?
My, looks like Nova's car is a bit old compared to his friend.
It's raining. Let's go inside. It's raining. Let's go inside. Nova, it's raining. Come on inside.
Leave the car out there. It's fine.
I can't let my friend get wet. The rain's stopping. Let's go out and race.
Zuri will be the referee of this race. Oh my, it's starting!
Come on, come on.
Hey, the wheel on Leon's car can't turn because of the rust from the rain. Oh no, Coco's car fell into the pothole. Wow, Nova is at the finish line.
Thank you, my friend.
I tried my best since you tried yours to protect and appreciate me.
And so, with their dedication to each other, Nova and the old ride had won the race.